In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your customer database effectively by either deleting or making customers inactive depending on their transaction history. The key to maintaining an organized and efficient customer list is knowing when and how to remove or deactivate those who are no longer engaging with your business. Let's dive into these steps to ensure your customer management is smooth and hassle-free. First, let's begin by accessing the sales module in your system. This area is essentially the hub for all interactions and transactions between your business and your customers. Once you're in the sales section, you'll want to navigate over to the Customers tab. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of all the customers your business has interacted with. A well-organized list here is crucial for facilitating smooth operations and efficient customer service. Next, the task at hand is to select the customer you wish to review. Think about what prompts this action. Perhaps a customer hasn't interacted with your business for an extended period, or maybe there's another reason they no longer belong on your active list. Click on the specific customer's name to open their profile and gain insights into their transaction history. Understanding their history will play a critical role in determining whether you should delete them or merely render them inactive. Now here's the crucial part of the process. If the customer in question has no transaction history, meaning they haven't been involved in any sales or purchases with your business, you might decide it's best to delete their profile altogether. This action is straightforward but permanent, so make sure you're certain before you proceed. Deleting a customer removes all their information from the system, which can help keep your data clutter-free. However, if you notice that the customer does have a transaction history, deleting their information might not be the best approach. In such a case, consider making their profile inactive instead. Making a customer inactive essentially hides their information from the active database but keeps it stored for reference or reporting purposes. This option is particularly useful if you suspect that past interactions may prove important in the future, or if the customer may become active again. As we wrap up, remember the importance of periodic reviews of your customer database. Regularly updating your list will lead to more efficient management and accurate reporting. Balancing between active and inactive customer status helps ensure that your records are current and relevant. Ultimately, by following these steps, you're setting up a future-proof customer management system. Thank you for joining me today, and keep these best practices in mind for effective customer relationship management. Whether you're deleting or